Hi students. In the last classes we were discussing about fibers and its disadvantages. And we completed that topic. Today let us discuss question answers from the exercise. Okay. So before attending the class you have to take your textbook and a pencil. I will explain the answers. You will write using pencil there, and after that you have to copy to your notebook. Okay. Take your textbook. Do you take? Yes. First one. Explain why some fibers are called synthetic. What are synthetic fibers? Yeah, man-made fibers. Some are obtained from nature, some others from obtained by human beings. That is, by the action of human beings. So they are called man-made. Mark tick the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because it has a silk-like appearance. It is obtained from wood pulp. Its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fibers. But maybe the answer, yeah, second one. It is obtained from the wood pulp. Correct. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called dash or dash fibers. Yeah, man-made or artificial. Very good. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called petrochemicals. Very good. Then, like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. Okay. Yes. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. While discussing the topic nylon, we are always using nylon fibers for climbing or using parachutes. Okay, ropes for climbing mountain or using parachutes, etc. So these are examples. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Which are they? They are durable, cheap, etc. And non-corrosive. Then, explain the difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics, as we know, once heated, it becomes melt and soften. Then again become hard. Again it can be softened. By repeatedly heating and cooling, we can change its properties. Polythene and PVC are two examples. Don't forget. What about thermosetting plastics? Once it melted, it cannot be remelted or remolded. That is become hard while heating one time itself. Examples: bakelite and melamine. Okay. Then explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. Saucepan handles. Thermosetting plastics. As we know, because it is a poor conductor of heat. Otherwise, if it conducts heat, while taking the saucepan, what will happen? It will burn. Okay, to burn. And therefore, because of the poor conductivity of thermosetting plastics, we use to make saucepan handles. Then electric plugs, switches or plug boards. because of poor conductor of electricity. Okay, thermostatic plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Poor conductor of heat, we are using handles of saucepan. Poor conductor of electricity, we can use as switchboard. Switchboards, then electric plugs, plug boards, etc. Okay. Then categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Telephone instruments cannot be recycled. Plastic toys can be recycled. Cooker handles cannot be recycled. Carry bags can be. Ballpoint pens can be. Plastic bowls can be. Plastic covering on electrical wires can be. Plastic chairs can be. Electrical switches cannot be. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana giving your reason. For summer season, always we are wearing cotton during summer. Why? Become cool. How? Can you say? During winter or during rainy season, we are always preferring nylon or synthetic dresses. Polyester, yeah, very good. Then during summer, always prefer cotton shirts. Why? During sweating, the water gets evaporated easily, and that evaporation gets a cooling effect to our body, and it is more comfortable to us. Okay, yes. Give examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. In order to use that type of, that is plastic bottles, to store chemicals, non-corrosive. Should the handle and bristle of a toothbrush be made of the same material? Explain your answer. The handle and bristles of a toothbrush, yeah, it is made up of nylon. Very good. Let's discuss the properties of nylon. Avoid plastics as far as possible. As we know, plastics makes what? Hazards. Air pollution, water pollution, environmental pollution itself. Okay. And it is harmful for living beings itself. Okay. Then match the terms of column A correctly with the phrases given in column B. Polyester, Teflon, rayon, nylon. Prepared by using wood pulp, used for making parachutes and stockings, used to make non-stick cookwares. Fabrics do not wrinkle easily. The answer, first, polyester. Fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Okay. Then Teflon. Teflon, what's that? Used to make non-stick cookwares. Very good. Then rayon, prepared by using wood pulp. Then nylon, used for making parachutes and stockings. Okay, very good. 14th one. Manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forests. Comment. As we know, natural fibers are obtained from nature itself. And we want to cut the trees. Okay, so that will destroy our environment. Whereas synthetic fibers are obtained from artificial objects, or majority from chemicals, and it will not destroy our nature. In that sense, we can say the manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forests. Then describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Your textbook, you can see that activity. See, thermostatic plastics. We can use switchboards, electric switches, etc. Okay, and these are the exercise questions. I will send the answers one by one, and I think majority questions we already written in your notebook, so no need to write that questions. Okay, thank you.